What is up, people? This is Kamlesh, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today I am very much excited because we are going to look at 4 New Balance sneakers which are under 5,000 rupees, and most probably you guys have not seen any of these. Trust me, like New Balance 327s, New Balance 574, New Balance 2002R, everyone knows them. But today we have something which is very rare, and I'm super excited to share this with you all. So without wasting any of the time, let's start with the video. So starting off with my favorite pair on this list, I'm super excited to share this pair because I have been eyeing this pair for a longest time right now, and finally I got to see this pair in hand and it is beautiful. So let's share this pair with you guys. I have a different kind of opening today because it is all taped all around it, so I have to remove it from here. So let's remove this pair. So this is New Balance RC42. So this is a very sleek New Balance all white leather upper sneaker with hints of suede on the back heel, toe guard and the lace eyelets. A full white leather sneaker with this beautiful New Balance logo on the side panels in that royal blue looks very beautiful. I just loved the silhouette on the sneaker. The leather quality is very good, and this is an extremely lightweight sneaker in itself. Great quality, very good comfort, and looks very beautiful, like aesthetically very pleasing sneaker. Just have a look at this. I totally love this pair, and this pair retails for 11,000 rupees, but you can get this pair right now for 5,040 rupees. That is a mind-blowing price for this beautiful pair. Like extremely great price. Now coming to the next New Balance sneaker on this list, and again a very clean, very like I just love this pair again. So let's unbox this. This is New Balance CT300, a full green New Balance sneaker with suede upper and mesh on the toe box and around the ankle area. It also has some hints of black and yellow on the back heel, which gives a very good contrast to this pair. The white laces, white New Balance logo on the side panel and the white midsole also gives a very good contrast to this pair, which makes the sneaker look very interesting. Again, a very simple silhouette from New Balance, and normally when you think about New Balance, you think about some dad sneakers, some running sneakers, retro running sneakers, some grey sneakers, black and white sneakers, something like that. But this one is bold and I like this. Decent comfort, fits true to size, great quality and priced very well. You can buy the sneaker for 3,674 rupees, and that is a mind-blowing price for a New Balance pair. Go right now and check it out. I have linked them in the description. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and I am excited for this because this is not a regular sneaker, and I don't know what you guys are going to react over this, but this is fun. So let's see the sneakers first, then we'll talk. This comes in a different New Balance box, by the way. That is bright red. So let's unbox this. So this is New Balance TEKTREL, a very interesting, very lightweight, very beautiful New Balance sneaker made for trails. It is a very interesting silhouette, and it has a great midsole and outsole. The upper of the sneaker has suede, mesh, wool all over it, and it looks very interesting. All the geometrical patterns on the midsole makes the sneaker stand out, and I love the sneaker for that specific reason. I know this sneaker is not for everyday use, but I feel you can use that for everyday wear if you want to just go here and there, like just roam with friends and all of that. If you want to have something very comfortable under your feet, you can wear this if you want to. I know it sounds weird that I'm telling you guys to wear this pair outside, but yes, I feel it is a comfortable sneaker, really lightweight. Like it is made for trails, so it is a lightweight sneaker. It is comfortable sneaker. It has a great outsole. It has a great grip under it. Just look at that. So yes, why not? If you want to, you can wear it. But I know, yes, it is meant for something. You should wear it for that reason. That's totally fine if you have that reason. But I just thought it is a very unique sneaker from New Balance, and I thought you guys have not seen it. So maybe if you like it, you can get this pair. It is a very interesting pair, but if it gets dirty, I feel it is very difficult to clean this pair. That is my thought. But do let me know what you guys think about this, because I was very excited to share this sneaker with you guys. I love the silhouette, man. Like the silhouette is very beautiful. The laces, all of the like overall the sneaker is nice. I really like it. Fits true to size, great comfort. You can get this pair for 4,754 rupees. That is a mind-blowing price. Get it before the price rises on them. Check the description. I'm telling you guys again. Now coming to the last sneaker on this list, and I am super excited because this can be a great everyday sneaker. So let's unbox this. Again, we have an entry from here. So let's unbox this pair. Like, let's remove this pair. So let's go. This is New Balance Pro. I forgot the pronunciation. I'm sorry. I'll post the name of the sneaker on the screen. But yes, this is a all white full leather upper sneaker from New Balance. Again, not a usual New Balance silhouette, but looks very beautiful. The quality of the leather on the sneaker is very butter, like it is really soft. This sneaker also has a suede toe guard, you can see that, and it also has a black New Balance logo on the back heel. That's it. It is a full white leather upper sneaker, white midsole, and it has gum bottom to it. A very simple silhouette from New Balance, and you can rock this pair every day. Can be a great everyday pair. Just slip on the sneaker with any of the outfit for your college, for your office, and this can be a great one for your everyday wear. Like, just look at this. You cannot go wrong with this pair. You cannot dress wrong with this pair. Again, great quality, fits true to size, amazing comfort, and this pair will cost you only 4,022 rupees. That is again a very beautiful price for a New Balance pair. I have got all of the sneakers from the Amazon sale. You can go and check them out right now. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.